Students, will see with the third type of problem in e raised to minus as into f of s form. Here given question is, we are having two brackets in the numerator and a single term in the denominator. So to simplify, first to multiply the numerators, okay, the brackets you have to multiply as this into this, that is 1 into 2 is 2, 1 into minus e raised to minus 2s is minus e raised to minus 2s, minus into plus is minus, 2 into e raised to minus s, minus into minus it is plus, e raised to minus s into e raised to minus 2s upon s cube. Bases are same, powers get added, so e raised to minus 3s. Now single term is in the denominator, so try to split each term with the denominator and the L inverse operator. So L inverse of 2 upon s cube minus L inverse of e raised to minus 2s upon s cube minus L inverse of 2 into e raised to minus s upon s cube plus L inverse of e raised to minus 3s upon s cube. Mark this as equation number 1. 2 upon s cube. Here e to the power has not come, so directly we can find for this. This terms we need to apply for the property above. Okay. So now I will solve separately. So to solve L inverse of 2 upon s cube. 2 is acting as a constant, so remove outside. So it is L inverse of 1 upon s cube. So try to express in the form of n plus 1 the power s raised to. Okay. So n plus 1 is equals to 3. Then n is equals to 3 minus 1, that is 2. So s raised to 2 plus 1. Hence 2 as it is, and we know that L inverse of 1 upon s raised to n plus 1 is equals to t raised to n upon n factorial. So n is how much? 2. So t square upon 2 factorial. 2 factorial is 2. 2 will get cancelled. I am going to get here L inverse of 2 upon s cube is equals to t square. I will mark this as equation number A. Next we will go with the second evaluation. To solve e raised to minus 2s upon s cube. Now e raised to has come, so I will try to write in the form of e raised to minus as into f of s. So comparing with this property, that is L inverse of e raised to minus as into f of s is equals to f of t minus a into u of t minus a. I will write for f of s. How much is f of s? 1 upon s cube. What is your a? A is 2. Coefficient of s is 2. So next, once we get f of s, very next job is to find for f of t. So L inverse of f of t, that is L inverse of 1 upon s cube. Now s cube, try to express in the form of n plus 1. So n plus 1 is equals to 3, so n is equals to 2. Hence this will become, because L inverse of 1 upon s raised to n plus 1 is equals to t raised to n upon n factorial. N is how much? 2. So t square upon 2 factorial. T square upon 2. Okay. So now just replace a t by t minus a. That is t by t minus 2. So f of t minus 2 is equals to t minus 2 the whole square upon 2. This is not the final answer. So finally the answer is L inverse of e raised to minus 2s upon s cube is equals to t minus 2 the whole square upon 2 into u of t minus 2. Next, this I will mark it as equation number B. Next, to solve L inverse of 2 e raised to minus s upon s cube. Now again e raised to minus s has come, so try to write in the form of e raised to minus s into f of s. So comparing, we are having f of s as 2 upon s cube. A is 1, coefficient of s is 1. Once we get f of s, the very next step is to find f of t. So L inverse of f of s is equals to L inverse of 2 upon s cube. Hence 2 is acting as a constant, remove outside. So it is L inverse of 1 upon s cube. Again try to format in the form of n plus 1. So this will become 2 plus 1. So t square upon 2 factorial. 2 factorial is how much? 2. 2 will get cancelled. How much will get? T t square. What is that? F of t. Excuse me. So once we get f of t, replace t by t minus a. That is t by t minus 1. So hence this will become t minus 1 the whole square. Hence finally the solution is L inverse of 2 into e raised to minus s upon s cube is t minus 1 the whole square u of t minus 1. Mark this as equation number C. Now to solve for L inverse of e raised to minus 3s upon s cube. Again it is the form of e raised to minus as. So I'll try to make it in the form of e raised to minus as into f of s. So comparing with this property, I am having f of s as 1 upon s cube. What is your a? A is 3. Hence if you get f of s, find for f of t. What is f of t? It is L inverse of 1 upon s cube. Now express in the form of n plus 1, this will become s raised to 2 plus 1. So t square upon 2 factorial. If you know directly, need not to do these all steps. Directly write for f of t. So f of t is t square upon 2. Just replace a t by t minus a. So what is a now? 3. So replace a t by t minus 3. So substituting, we will get f of t minus 3 is equals to f of t minus 3 the whole square upon 2. Hence your solution is L inverse of e raised to minus 3s upon s cube is equals to t minus 3 the whole square upon 2 into u of t minus 3. This is the solution for this part now. So now substituting a, b, c, d in 1. So substituting in equation 1, this will be the solution for the given function. Thank you.